In today's video, I'm going to teach you why Cloudways is so expensive with an honest step-by-step breakdown for 2026. If you've ever compared Cloudways to cheap shared hosting, the pricing can feel shocking at first. You might see entry plans that cost much more than bargain hosting and wonder why there's such a big gap. The key is understanding what you're actually paying for, because Cloudways is not just selling server space. First, let's look at the middleman management premium. Cloudways does not own the underlying hardware. Instead, it rents infrastructure from major cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS, then builds its own managed platform on top. If you rented a basic server directly from one of those providers, the raw price could be much lower. Cloudways adds a noticeable markup, but that markup covers the dashboard, server setup, performance tuning, and much of the technical work that would otherwise require hands-on system administration. In simple terms, you are paying for convenience, management, and reduced technical burden. Next, you need to calculate the one server margin math. At first glance, Cloudways can seem expensive for just one website, but the model changes when you host multiple applications on the same server. Unlike some premium hosting companies that charge more for every additional website, Cloudways lets you run many separate applications on a single instance without extra software licensing fees. For agencies or freelancers hosting multiple low-traffic client sites, that can dramatically reduce the per-site cost and turn a higher monthly server bill into a more efficient long-term expense. Another reason for the price is the built-in software stack. Cloudways includes advanced caching tools and pre-configured performance layers like Memcached, Nginx, and Varnish. On larger servers, it may also include premium caching software that would be expensive to license independently. That matters because setting up and maintaining this kind of performance environment manually can take a lot of time, and time is part of the real cost. You also have to factor in security and DevOps labor savings. Cloudways includes firewall protection, brute force defense, one-click staging, and update safety tools that help reduce risk during changes. For teams managing active websites, these features can save hours of manual work and lower the chance of downtime or broken updates. That said, there are extra costs to watch. Off-site backups are billed separately, and native email hosting is not included, so business email usually requires another service or paid add-on. Those charges can make your total bill higher than the headline price, so the honest answer is this. Cloudways feels expensive when compared to basic hosting, but the cost starts to make sense if you need managed infrastructure, multiple sites, better performance, and less technical overhead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.